Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get mousse out of a broken can. Work quickly and calmly. Clear the area, wear gloves, and move the can outdoors or to a well-ventilated space to avoid sticky residue inside. Use a flat tool to gently pry the nozzle and relieve pressure away from your face. Collect expelled mousse on a disposable tray or paper towels. Avoid open flames and dispose of can parts safely at a recycling center. Start by assessing damage. Small puncture versus major rupture, and check for propellant leaks. If the can still contains mousse, place it upright in a bucket to catch spills and slowly depress the nozzle with a flat screwdriver while pointing away. For a broken top, gently cut the shell with tin snips while wearing eye protection, then scoop mousse into a container for reuse or disposal. Clean residue with warm soapy water and rubbing alcohol for sticky spots. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free help during messy fixes, the Echo Dot smart speaker makes timers, music, and step reminders effortless in noisy workshops. It fits on a shelf and responds to voice, so you can keep both hands clean while following steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After cleanup, prevent repeats by storing cans upright in a cool place away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Check expiration dates and gently shake cans periodically to avoid clogs. If you want a salvage product, transfer mousse into an airtight pump container labeled with the date and a note about original can damage. For disposal, ensure cans are empty, puncture in a controlled outdoor area, and recycle according to local guidelines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.